The noble Lord Mañjuśrī's dhāraṇī for increasing insight and intelligence. Homage to the three jewels. Namo Mañjuśrīye Kumara Bhutaya Tadyata Om Araje Viraje Shuddhe Vishuddhe Sodhani Vishodhani Shodhaya Vishodhaya Amale Vimale Jayavati Ru Chale Hom 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 Pat 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 Svaha. Those who memorize this will become intelligent within 1 month. Their voice will be melodious. Their appearance will be beautiful. After a single reading, they will turn their back on cyclic existence for 1,000 eons. By merely holding it in their hands, they will recall former lives. After 100,000 recitations, they will become erudite. After 200,000 recitations, they will become vidyādharas. After 300,000 recitations, they will behold the face of Mañjuśrī. If one who has committed the 5 misdeeds with immediate retribution does not thus succeed, then may I myself become guilty of committing the 5 misdeeds with immediate retribution and of deceiving the blessed Buddhas. This concludes the noble Lord Mañjuśrī's dhāraṇī for increasing insight and intelligence.